Hey, what's up guys, I hope that all of you are doing well. So a new update is now available on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So today in this video we will check out that update. And to check out this update you will have to go into your settings, and from here you have to swipe down and tap on this about phone option. Then you have to tap on software information. Now you will get to see that a new Google Play system update will be available. Previously it is on November 1st 2024. So a new update is available of 74 MBs in size, and it includes the latest security update from Google and to keep your device safe and improve the device stability. To install the update you will have to first download this update, so simply tap on download and it will start the download process. It is 74 MBs in size, and once the download is complete you will have to restart your device to complete the installation process. And keep in mind that this installation process might take a while, so make sure to install this when your device is completely free, as you will be unable to use your device during the installation process. So I will quickly fast forward this installation process, and once the installation is done your device will restart. And as you can see, it is on the latest January 1st 2025 Google Play system update, as previously it was on the November 1st 2024. Also, we have another update of January 2025. For that, you will have to go into your settings. Then you have to select this software update and download and install. This is an update of 420 MBs with a January 1st 2025 security patch from Samsung. And that's a wrap for today's video. Hopefully, the next update that we will get will be of the One UI 7. As the One UI 7 is one of the most awaited update on the Galaxy S24 Ultra, with some new UI changes and new app icons as well. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was the new update available. If you are new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new updates.